All right, good Thursday afternoon. We went a good 3 days without any named systems out in the Atlantic and really no systems to talk about. But then yesterday we had Tropical Depression number 16, and this morning our 14th named storm of the year, Nate, developed, and that's a tropical storm. It's way far south in the southwestern parts of the Caribbean Sea, and the center of circulation is now located. You can barely pinpoint it here. It is over land in northeastern parts of Nicaragua, going to move into northeastern Honduras before it reemerges back into the open, very warm waters just south and southeast of the Yucatan Peninsula and Mexico. It is expected to maintain a tropical storm status until it reaches the waters here. The intensity forecast is going to be the tough issue with this storm. Waters are just so warm, abnormally warm, that they're going to likely form some rapid intensification here over the next couple of days, especially if it scoots just to the east of the Yucatan Peninsula, staying over open water the whole time, strengthening to a Category 1 storm, and then looks to be making a track towards Louisiana, in particular the New Orleans area, as we get into the portion of Saturday night and early Sunday morning. From there, it rapidly weakens over land and possibly brings us some remnant rain late Sunday into Monday, although it's looking like it'll be off to the west, the heaviest of it at least. We have a beautiful afternoon out there. We talked about that long-anticipated warming trend that was going to get underway today. Certainly feels warmer out there and just a touch more humid than what we've been used to. That much-needed rain is possible late Sunday. It's been very, very dry. We wrapped up September nearly 3 inches in the deficit. Not looking like we're going to pick up a whole lot in the early next week, maybe a ½ inch, but totally dependent on the track of Nate as it continues to evolve in the next few days. Our setup today, though, is high pressure off the coastline, driving our winds in out of the southwest, and that's propelling those temperatures upwards. In fact, we'll be well above average right through the foreseeable future. We should be around 74, 75 this time of the year. Today we'll make it into the low 80s, and by the weekend we're in the middle 80s, and we stay there right on to Wednesday before a strong cold front will knock those temperatures right back down by the later part of next week. 80 degrees outside right now, a dew point in the upper 50s, so not terribly humid, but a little bit higher than where we were for the past few days when we were really feeling like autumn out there. 79 in Newport News, 78 Chesapeake, 77 now in Hosky, 81 Williamsburg, 80 in Elizabeth City, and 78 in Virginia Beach. Going through Futurecast here, not a whole lot going on for the remainder of the day today. Temperatures in the lower 80s. Overnight we fall back into the low to mid 60s, and tomorrow we do it all over again, maybe add a degree or two to that afternoon high with a few more clouds mixing on in. And that's about it. Just dry as a bone continuing through the forecast period. 82 degrees today, mostly sunny and warm. Tonight we fall back to 65. A little bit cooler farther inland, mainly clear as well. And this weekend, 85 on Saturday, the better half of the 2 weekend days. A few more clouds on Sunday and the chance of a stray shower later on in the day, all dependent on where Nathan goes. 85 on Sunday and then into early next week, still warm, and we'll keep that rain chance about 30% through Tuesday.